Hey YouTube, it's Big Sean from SoCal Outdoors Adventures. I'm here doing some pokey. I'm actually going to put some stuff together here. I'm just kind of trimming it all. I'm doing small pieces like this. That's how they look. I do them about that big. You know, make some nice pieces like that. And then we gotta cut them. I try and do them in chunks about like that. Nice little chunks in bluefin. This how it looks. I got my liquid death. I love the teas. This is the new Grim Leafer, excuse me. This is Armless Palmer, and then this one is Rest in Peach. Dude, all three of these are awesome. Shout out to my buddy Don. But so some of this stuff that I've been trying with this stuff, Don's been helping me out on what to use for this pokey recipe. And what I've been using for it is this ponzu sauce. I'll get it out here in a second. Nice. So we got our pokey right here, as you can see it. It's all good. This is what the fish looks like coming out, so I'm gonna have to trim some of this. All this is outside. It doesn't look bad once you get in the middle, but the outside's kind of burnt, but this is what it looks like. So let me get the ponzu sauce. The ponzu sauce I use is Kiko Man's. It's mixed with citrus. And then I throw a little sriracha mayo in there. It comes out awesome. So let me get it going on that real quick. We'll start going. So put this in here. Let's get some pokey together. You know, mix it all together, and you got some stuff going here. Wash the hands first and foremost. Gotta have a dry towel. Put a little ponzu. We get it all mixed up nice and fresh. Oh, it's good and slowly good. Then eat some mayonnaise. I usually do onions and stuff like that too, but let's get this mixed up. But here we go. Let's try it out. Oh, phenomenal. So it's an easy way to make poke. So look at this stuff. This is how fresh that is. Tastes excellent. So, easy way to make poke. You gotta go with the Kiko Man ponzu sauce. It's basically citrus dressing with your soy sauce. And then I love this, and usually I put onions in here, green onions. I forgot to get some if I'm doing it, but I'm gonna finish up this. And then of course I always like to have my liquid death, but I want to give a shout out to my buddy Don. He's the one that hooks me up with liquid death stuff, and also it's something that I drink all the time, dude. It's way better than Arizona tea. It's not as sweet. It's really good, and dude, they got some really cool names and stuff. It's kind of funny. We take this fishing with us when we go and stuff. So, but you get a chance, take your bluefin, make it into pokey. It's super easy, super simple. Thank you. Talk to you next time.